what's up? Today is time for a very small upgrade, but one that I'm really excited for because it's gonna dramatically change the look of the car. So yeah, let's see what's it all about. So the upgrade is in this little box, and these are LED door projector lights. These were never available from Alfa Romeo for the Brera, but ever since the new Giulia arrived, they made these as an accessory option for the Giulia, and these actually fit the older 939 models as well, so the Brera, the 159 and the Spider, which I think is really cool because yeah, I love these kind of details. They are available in two options. You can either have the emblem of Alfa Romeo or the Alfa Romeo script. I went for Alfa Romeo script because the emblem of the Giulia is different from my emblem, because they updated the logo, so I think it would look a little bit weird having the newer logo for my older model. So I went for the script, which is exactly the same. So yeah, really excited for this. It's a really easy upgrade. It's just plug and play, so everyone can do it. I mean, even I can do it. So let's go ahead and install these. Guys, a very small upgrade today, but one that I do think is very cool, because now you're greeted with the Alfa Romeo script each time you get in the car. So I think that's really cool. So yeah, not the biggest of mods today, but yeah, one that I do really like. So yeah, I want to say thank you for watching, and hopefully see you next video. Bye.